Hi everybody and welcome to another weekly update video. I hope you're all staying well and staying safe in this crazy times that we live in at the moment. In terms of Azure news, I wanted to cover off two bits of news. So firstly, the ability through Windows Admin Center to onboard your on-prem servers into Azure Security Center, which will allow people to try and leverage some of those Azure services that we have on-prem as well now. So I'll put some more details in the description, so check that out if that's something that you want to have a look at and understand a bit more about. We've also added, I think it's 101 services into being compliant with the FedRAMP security or compliance or audit policy for Azure government as well. So there's more details about that again in the description box, so check that out below as well. This week, it was last week actually, I launched some office hours. So I've made my calendar available to everybody, so you can book some time in, either just to have a virtual coffee with me and have a chat and chat about some things, or if you want to chat about something specific. I'm always open to hearing good or bad feedback about any Azure products, or trying to steer you or help you with anything that's going on right now. So again, I'll put the link to that in the description below, but please do reach out to me. I'm more than happy to have a chat. Like I said, either it be a social chat or something more work related. I'm also working on some video content, so trying to create lots of content and videos for release soon, and just working away on trying to keep the spirits high and keep going at the moment. I'm quite glad here in Scotland that we're enjoying some good weather. You can probably tell by like the blown out bit of the window. The sun is shining, the birds are chirping away, and some of my spring bulbs are coming alive. So it's good to remember that things are still working away in the background as normal, and hopefully we can all stick together and fight this virus and come out at the other end. I hope you're all staying safe, staying healthy, washing your hands regularly, practicing social distancing where possible, and remembering to thank all our amazing health service workers, our retail workers, our farmers, everybody that's trying to keep everything going at the moment while we try and fight this virus that's going around the world. So have a good weekend, everybody. Stay safe, and I will catch you next week.